Hi, I'm Miss Jenny, and I have some empties and some product reviews for you today. So before I begin, I do want to let you know that I'm going to put the links for these products in the description below. So if you are interested in any of the things that I tell you about today, you can get them very easily. So this one is Suave. We know about Suave. This one is the Sleek shampoo. It's for dry or frizzy hair, and you guys almost never see my hair, but it is dry and frizzy, and you'll have to excuse me a minute. I think I got an ant biting me. We have very hungry insects right now. It's warmed up, and where I live there's fire ants, so every time I feel something biting me I have to check it out, you know, because I have been stung by them and it's nasty. But anyway, this is the Suave Sleek shampoo, and I like this shampoo because my hair is actually very frizzy and crazy and out of control, so, and it helps to smooth that out. And I do color it occasionally, so it helps, you know, I have chemically treated hair, at least on the ends. So I like that one. And I have the soft soap body scrub, the cocoa butter, and I got this in a 2-pack. I really like it. It smells like it smells very beachy, and it has these little grains in it. If you see, the little grains are really good for exfoliating, but it's also very it has some emollients in it to soften your skin. It has jojoba in it, which is really good for the skin moisturizing. So this is a good product too, and I really like the way it smells. And to be honest with you, usually you'll find when I do these reviews, I don't choose products, especially products that you use on your body, that smell like fruit or anything that you would eat. I just, for some reason, don't like the thought of putting food on my body. But this one is beachy because it has that coconut smell, and I like this one. I also have the Avene Beauty Regenerating Daily Skincare, and this one is comparable to the Olay Regenerating Skin Cleanser. You want to see it up close? I like this. It wasn't what I was looking for when I originally bought it. It also has little grains in it to exfoliate. And I was actually surprised that I liked it better than I thought I would. But it does seem to make the skin smooth, and doing the kind of work that I do, I found that this is actually better than what I thought it was going to be, because I get dirty and I need to get a lot of that gunk off of me. So yeah, I like this one, and we can all use the exfoliating, so it's nice. This one right here, this is one of my favorite products, and it's barely, like, I've used it and the writing's almost gone, but this is L'Oreal double extend mascara. And how this works is, because this is good for people who don't have a lot of eyelashes, but it has this white end, and this is what you put on first. You put this on, and this builds up your eyelashes and makes them thicker. And then the other side, I always use black. I suppose I'm not supposed to because I'm technically a blonde, but I do. Now the packaging has changed on this. There's also different types of extend. They're all waterproof, and I believe it does come in, you know, the normal colors that you get mascara in, the blacks and the browns and all that. But I've been using this for years. It costs a little bit more than the pink mascara that is so popular, the Maybelline pink. But for me, I think it's worth it, because I need some help, and without mascara my eyes look bald. So this helps build it up, and it's one of my favorite products that I use all the time. I have this this right here. Now the name of this company is Skincare, and then it's LDL Cosmetics, and this is Retinol Anti-Wrinkle Facial Serum. And you only need the tiniest little bit. It has the retinol in it, and it does help. It doesn't get rid of your wrinkles. There's nothing that's going to totally get rid of your wrinkles, but it does bring some kind of glow to your skin, I've found. So this is really good, and if you look here, it does, that's a pretty good depiction of what it looks like. It's like a creamy looking serum, and you only need the tiniest little bit, and it spreads pretty nicely. So I like this, and I also got the same product line, the Skincare LDL Cosmetic Retinol Eye Gel, and it comes in a little pot, and of course this box is huge compared to the pot. The pot is like about that big, maybe the size of a quarter or a little bit bigger around, and it has these little beads in it, but that is also very nice around the eyes. I use this one, I use these at night really because of the retinol. Retinol can make you photosensitive, so I try not to use those type of products during the day. They're better for nighttime. And if you're wondering, photosensitive means sensitive to the sun, and you know, I drive a lot, so even in the wintertime, I try not to use retin products during the day. But yeah, I love these two products. Then I have this depth gel. There's a little bit left in it. It says level 7 shaping gel, which I guess that's kind of a medium hold. I expected the hold on this to be a little bit stronger, but if you like a lighter hold, this is probably a good gel for you. You know, it's non-sticky and it's alcohol free, and it says 7 is super extra hold, but I didn't find it to be that strong for me. So, but it's okay. Another Suave. This is the Suave Keratin Infusion Conditioner. This is a rinse out. You have to rinse this one out, but it's also an anti-frizz because I'm an anti-frizz kind of girl. And this is the 12.6 ounces, and I really like this one. And I like this because, see, this is smart packaging right here. See how the letters go this way, but the opening is down here? So you get the most out, and you're not standing there going like this in the shower. So yeah, I think that's smart packaging, and it smells pretty nice. It's just kind of a florally cleanser type smell. I don't really know what exactly to call it, but it's nice. It smells clean. Another one of my favorite companies, Garnier. This is the only Garnier product I have right now, though. The Garnier Whole Blends Repairing Conditioner. I like a lot of their products, actually. A lot of their hair products. I haven't tried any of their skincare products, but this is the Honey Treasures, and it's a repairing conditioner. Excuse me, I thought I was going to sneeze. It's a repairing conditioner. This one also is packaged, so the opening is at the bottom, so I guess they're starting to catch on to that. I like this. This makes so much sense to me. You know, and then you can get the product out pretty well. But Garnier, I like Garnier. Their products, they have a lot of emollients in their products, even their hair color I use, and they really do everything they can to put the oils back into the hair. So yeah, they're one of my favorite companies. I have 2 of these refill things. Now we're getting into the household products. 2 of these refill things. This is the Airwick Lavender, and it's time to go back to lavender for us because it's getting warm and the bugs are coming out, and bugs don't like the smell of lavender for some reason. So this one I have Airwick, and this one I have is Glade. Now the one thing I wanted to point out about these is, and you've seen in some of my other videos, I will get some from the dollar store, or I might get some from Walmart. So I'm not brand loyal, I never am. My scents might stay the same, but my product loyalty is not, I'm not that loyal, to be honest with you. I want to get a deal. So this one here says up to 60 days, and it seemed to do pretty good. I don't know what the difference in the packaging is, because I thought that this one says 60 days too. Why did I think it was 30 days? I don't know. Maybe the Walmart brand is 30 days. I'll have to go check into that, but I've been pleased, okay? What I wanted to say about all of these different types of refills for these automatics is they will work interchangeably, and no matter what kind of a dispenser you have. So you can buy a generic one at Walmart, or you can get the Glade, or you can get the Airwick, but you can switch off on the products that have the scents that you like. So not only did I put the link for these 2 specific refills, but I also put a link below if you're interested in getting one of those dispensers. I like mine. I set it at 30 minutes, so it's not constantly going. but the one I have in my bedroom, because this is where I do all my work, it goes off about every 30 minutes, and that just kind of revitalizes me. I don't know why. I hear it go tsh, and then I can smell it like a couple seconds later, and it's I just love that, you know, and it's of course a smell that I like. So it helps me, and I don't notice it when I'm sleeping or anything like that. But I did find with those dispensers, you need to put them somewhere. I like them up high because then the scent can come down, but you need to be careful. So like one I had out in the other part of our house, and it was high for me but not for Ray, so he's walking by and it decides to spray, and it's spraying him in the face, or he's, you know, getting it in his mouth or some crazy thing like that. So you want to watch where you put them, either not in a high traffic area or away where they're not going to be spraying into people's face. That's not cool. Okay, next cleaning product. This one, I have mixed reviews on this. Tilex generally has pretty good products. We like Tilex. And this one right here is the daily shower cleaner. You spray it in your shower and you walk away. And the nice thing about this is you can spray it if you have a curtain. You know how funky curtains get? You can spray it on that curtain and it helps keep the curtains from getting yucky. So that's nice. You just keep it in the shower, and after you take the shower you just spray the whole thing down, and that's it. You don't have to wipe it down or, you know, scrub it or anything like that, at least not maybe once in a while. But what I don't like about this product, and I found this out, and let me see if I can, what I don't like about this product, you see how short that is? But that is because, no, there was some thought to this packaging, but it didn't work out for me. So normally the little tube that comes down to the bottom of this, they have a tube running along the side right here so that you catch every single drop of the product. Okay, that is great, except if for some reason the lid comes off, because it says align to close. I have tried and tried, and I could not get this to go back into the hole. I had a very hard time with it. I ended up putting what was left of this that didn't go down the drain into another bottle to use it. So the concept is good, but it doesn't always, it's not as simple, I think, as what they're saying to get that little piece to go into that hole that connects with this tube that runs down the side. So other than that, we all know that Tilex makes really good products. And finally, another product that I just recently used, as a matter of fact, you probably saw this in my April Dollar Tree haul. I got this, and you're wondering why it's already empty. Well, I clean for a living, okay? So the product worked well. This is the Works tub and shower cleaner. And to give you some perspective, I use this at one of the gymnasiums that I clean. So they get pretty funky in there. They're not totally disgusting, but they do get pretty dirty. I didn't like the way this top is, because I knew that it was really runny, and I knew that I would lose control over the product if I just poured it on, and I don't like waste, and I'm sure you don't either. So what I did with this is I put it in a spray bottle, okay, one of my own empty spray bottles, and it worked really well. I had a lot of control with it that way. These are 2 showers that I have to clean. I did go through about a half of this. So, you know, I guess it's going to depend on how big your shower is and how often you have to clean it and that kind of thing. But what I did want to tell you, and this is what I put in the link below, is that I did find these in a spray applicator as opposed to this bottle with the lid. It doesn't say on here that this is a refill, but maybe that's what the intention is. But I definitely think that using the sprayer is better than this flip top. That, you know, because that's just going to pour everywhere, and you're not going to have control, and you're going to have product going down the drain that you haven't used. So, but overall the product worked pretty good. It did remove the funky stuff that I had to get out of there, and this does not have much of a smell. So if you're a bleachy person that likes that chemical smell in your bathroom, you may not be so happy with this. But if you're somebody who doesn't like a lot of smells, this works pretty well, and it really has a very low odor on it. So that's one of the things that I would say yes. I just don't like the packaging on this. that's all I got for today. All these things are going either in the trash or in the recycling. Thank you for watching my video. Please don't forget to comment. If you haven't already, please subscribe and hit the like button if you like these kind of videos. Bye.